Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Okay, so anyone has any questions in maths?
Sir, I want 6.316 sum, sir.
Repeat that again, Tanushri. Which question do you need help with?
6.316 sum, sir. Sir, can you hear me, sir?
I heard 6.3, but after that question number I didn't hear. Tell me the question number again.
16th one, sir.
16th one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you do the 16 one, sir?
Yes, I will solve it.
Sir, not the 16th one, sir. Sir, yesterday you have given a 14th one. That one.
Yes, I will solve 14th also. Okay, so I think everyone is here. Let's get started. The 14th question. Can everyone see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, has anyone solved this 14th question?
Sir,
Sir,
yes.
in school, sir.
Solved it in school? Means your ma'am solved it. You didn't. Did you understand how it works?
No, sir.
But ma'am took she constructed one more point, sir. Like you drew a line, joined the DE, no, sir. That is the CE one. But she joined both BE and CE, and she made a parallelogram, and then she proved that.
Yes. Okay, let's do that. What was the question? Side AB, AC, and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to PQ, PR, and PM of another triangle PQR. So let's say, first of all, ABC, PQR, two triangles. A, B, C, and it has a median. Let's call it as DAD. And then let's have another triangle P, Q, R. What is the median? PM. Okay. They have said that this time AB, AD, and AC, these three sides are in ratio, right? They are in proportion. So how do we write it? Let's write it down first. What is given? AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM. Everyone agrees? This is what is given in the question. And what are we supposed to prove?
Yes, sir.
ABC is similar to PQR. Okay. To prove this thing, ABC is similar to PQR. See, two of the sides S and S is already known, right? S and S, these two are already in proportion. AB by PQ is in proportion with AC by PR. What else do I need to prove that this triangle is similar?
Angle A and angle P, sir.
Yeah, there is one option that either you prove that angle A is equal to angle P. Then if we do that, then we will be able to use SAS rule, correct? Or by some other means, we have an option that we can prove BC by QR is also equal to the ratio with what is given here. Everyone agrees? Any one of them, any one of these two we have to do. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose this path. So before I proceed with this, I want to confirm all of you, like what did your ma'am do? Did you go through this path, proving that angle A is equal to angle B and then using SAS? Did you do like this? Or you used?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, SAS only, right? So fine. So let's go ahead with the same path so that you don't get confused.
So then we can also prove by SSS, sir.
Say that again, Charan.
So we can also prove by SSS also, sir.
Yes, it can be done. It's not impossible. It can be done.
Yes.
Like I said yesterday, let's do a little bit of construction. I'm going to, this is our strategy. We're going to prove that A is equal to B somehow. So let's keep that in mind. I'm erasing it from here. The figure, let me extend it. What did I say? We'll do the construction. We'll extend this line AB, the median AD, to point E in such a way that AD is equal to DE. Okay, then you join your CE. And if your teacher has joined this, you can join this also. Okay, so this basically becomes a Can anyone tell me how we can say that this becomes a parallelogram? Why am I saying that this, like Kavya said, no, you extended this line and you joined these two. How ABCD becomes a parallelogram here?
If the diagonals by
Yes, very good. Because we already said that AD is median. If it is median, means D is the midpoint of this. BD is equal to DC. This diagonal was already bisected, and by construction we have made sure that the other diagonal is also getting bisected. Since diagonals are getting bisected, that's why it's a parallelogram. Okay, fine. But anyway, that was an additional point. Let's forget about that as of now. For now, what we will do, we will focus on 1 minute. Let me size of this guy. Yeah. So same thing what we did there, we will do the same thing in this other triangle also. PQR, we'll extend this and join these two. What are we going to call it? PQR, PM, let's call it as L. Okay. Let's write down the construction steps. Everyone understands what is the construction step? See, we just talked about it, right? AD is a median, so BD will be equal to DC, and QM will be equal to MR. So let's write down this also. BD is equal to DC, and QM is equal to MR. So this is basically what we know in this triangle, in this whole figure. Okay, let's write it in one straight line itself, so it will make more sense. So basically, I'm just writing down whatever we have talked so far. I have written until the part where ABEC and PQLM, we have agreed that it is a parallelogram. Why is it a parallelogram? Because diagonals are getting bisected. That is what I have written. BD is equal to DC, QM is equal to MR. Same way, AD is equal to DE and PM is equal to ML. Okay. So these 2 points over here tell you that the diagonals are getting bisected. That's why this is a parallelogram. Okay. So I wrote PQLM. It's not PQLM. PQLR is the parallelogram. I'm sorry. LR is the parallelogram. And ABEC is the parallelogram. Then once we have these things as a parallelogram, anyone has any idea how we can prove that angle A is equal to angle P?
Sir, opposite sides.
The opposite?
Sides of a
Opposite sides,
parallelogram.
sir.
The opposite sides what?
Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal.
Okay. So which sides are equal? Tell me.
Sir, AC by PR is equal to BE by QL.
AC by PR is equal to
Is equal to BE by QL.
BE by QL. Okay. Very good. Then what else? Which triangle are you trying to prove? First of all, what is your strategy? What are you trying to do?
The first triangle ACE and PRL.
ACE and
PRL.
ACE PRL. That is what you are trying to prove, that they are similar. Okay. But if that is the case, then what does this BE have to do with that? BE and QL will not be part of those two triangles, no?
You have to take the other opposite sides. AB is equal to CE.
AB by PQ.
Okay. One person.
AB by PQ.
Karan, I'm not able to hear your audio. Okay, your audio is breaking continuously. So, check it out. Kavya, go ahead. Tell me what you were saying.
Yes, sir. So to prove that triangle AC is similar to triangle PRL, we can take the other opposite sides. AB is equal to CE and PQ is equal to RL. So if we
Hold on.
take that,
One
then
minute. Hold on, Kavya. 1 minute. So your strategy, you're saying you want to prove ACE is similar to PRL. Is that right?
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
How do you do that? Tell me.
Where we have already given the ratios, AB by PQ, that ratio. There it is given AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. As we know that in parallelogram the opposite sides are equal, we can replace AB as CE, PQ as RL, sir. So like, using that ratio we can prove.
Yes. Okay. So two sides I will get. Okay. I will get AC by PR will become equal to CE by RL. So these two I will get from these two. Then what else do we do?
Then we know by construction we did that AD is equal to DE and PM is equal to ML, sir. And if we add AD, we have given the ratio as AD by PM. So AD plus DE will be equal to PM plus ML. So we'll get AE by PL, sir.
One minute. Yeah. So we got two sides already. Let me write them properly. So those two sides were in ratio, and since it is given that AB by PQ is equal to that. So I will, like you said, AB can be replaced with CE and PQ can be replaced with RL. So these two are also in ratio now. Now we also know that AD by PM, they are also in the same ratio, AD by PM, right? So if AD by PM are in the ratio, then twice of AD by twice PM, that will also be same thing, right? So AE is basically twice of AD. That's what we can write it. Yeah, so first of all, let's take those two triangles which we had discussed about. In triangles, what are the triangles?
Sir, sir,
Yes, Nitya, tell me.
sir, is there any other way to prove this sum, sir?
Yes, there is another way. Don't worry, let's try to finish it, okay? You understood so far, right, what we have done? Up until this step, we have just proved that this is a parallelogram, right? Up to that it is
Yes, sir.
okay. Now our
Yes, sir.
next strategy is to prove that triangle ACE and PRL, these two are similar to each other. And all of you do one thing. See, I have to keep scrolling this up and down to look at the figure. So make sure you draw this figure with you. You draw this in your notebook, this figure, all of you. And tell me once you're done. So what was given? AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM. Okay, this is what is given. So what we can do is, because AB EC is a parallelogram, this side AB will be exactly equal to CE, right? AB will be equal to CE. So let's replace that AB over here with a CE. CE, okay? And then replace PQ from this triangle with RL over here. Everyone okay? What I did over here, everyone understands? AB is replaced.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Did not understand. See, it's very straightforward, guys. Why are you? It's okay. We have talked about ABEC is a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, no? In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Do you know that or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so AB is equal to EC, right? AB is equal
Yes,
to
sir.
EC. So wherever AB is written, in place of AB, I can write CE also because they both are equal. So that is what I did. This thing is given in the question itself. AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM. This is the ratio I'm taking, which was given in the question already. Okay, and in this given ratio, I'm replacing AB with CE and PQ with RL, because these two, AB is equal to CE and PQ is equal to RL. They are opposite sides of a parallelogram. Do you understand now? Still not clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Hari.
Understood, sir.
All right. Then leave this AC and PR as it is, because we need this. AC and PR are, they are part of our triangle. Why did I replace this AB and PQ? See, AB and PQ are not part of these triangles. No, we are trying to prove that AC and PR, ACE and PRL, they are similar. So AB and PQ, they were not part of the triangle. So I replaced it with the ones which are part of the triangle, these two, CE and RL. Straightforward, very simple. But I need one more thing. I have got S and S. AC, let's write it down, AC by PR. So these two are equal. So I've got a S, another S, but I need one more ratio, either side or the angle between the two to make it equal. But I don't know anything about the angles over here, but proving that AE by PL, that is also equal to the ratio is very, very easy. How can we do that? AD. What is this AD, guys? Is it not half of AE? AD is half of AE, right?
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to replace AD with half of AE, and same way PM is half of what? Look at the figure and tell me PM is half of what? Look at the figure on your notebook. I want you people to tell me. Just like exactly I said AD.
PL.
Yes. PM is half of PL. We had done that construction, no? PM is equal to ML, so PM will be half of PL. And then we can cancel the half and half. What will be left out? PE by AE by PL. So give your reasons. AB is equal to CE, PQ is equal to RL, AD is half of AE, all right. So now we can very straightforward, right? C by RL is equal to AC by PR is equal to AE by PL. So what happens now? This becomes SSS criteria, right? So the triangles become similar. Triangle ACE is similar to triangle RL. Okay. Everyone understood how to prove this? These two triangles are similar. We proved that it is a parallelogram and then use the ratio what was given here and replaced the sides to get the SSS criteria. Okay, and ACE became similar to PRL. If that is the case, what will happen? Angle CAE will be equal to RPL, right? So by CPST, what we can write? See, this angle over here will become equal to this angle, right? Everyone agrees? So I'm going to call it as CAE. Angle CAE will be equal to angle RPL. Let's say this is first equation. And then what else can we do here? Tell me how to get to our main goal. Our main goal was to prove that angle A is equal to angle P. So as of now, I have been able to prove that this part of the angle A and B, they are equal.
So similarly, we can do another triangle too.
Yes, we can just write similarly ABE is similar to PQL, and we will be able to get this angle is also equal to this angle. Okay. No need to prove that again, just write similarly, that's all. Similarly, what triangle? ABE. Triangle ABE will be similar to triangle PQL. And by CPST of this similarity, we will get what? Angle BAD or angle BAE is equal to angle QPL. Let's call this as the second equation. Now we can simply add these two equations, CAE and BAE. When we add them together, it will become CAE and BAE together will become the angle BAC. These two angles together will become QPR. Those two angles together. So now we have our angle A is equal to angle P, and of course it was given that AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. So from 3 and 4, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by SAS. Tell me, everyone understands? This is slightly lengthy. Yes. It's a lengthy problem, but it's not very complicated. If you understand it, if you practice a few times, it will not be that bad, okay? All you had to do, what was the first step? You had to do the construction. First step was construction. What was the construction? Extend AD to up to this point E in such a way that AD is equal to DE. Okay, these two are equal. Same way, PM is equal to ML. And by that, what did we do actually? We made this as a parallelogram by joining B and C, QL and R. So from this, we get the parallelograms. Then from the given ratio, we proved that triangle ACE is similar to triangle PRL. The given ratio, whatever, we replaced AB with this C, PQ with this one. And how did we get the third side? AD we replaced with twice of half of AE. You can just see in the solution and try to understand how we did it. Okay. So by SSS criteria, similarity rule, we proved this thing. And once that was done by CPST, we got, let's give them some names. let's say this is angle 1, this is 2, this is angle 3, and this is angle 4. So we prove that angle 1 is equal to 3. And then the third step, just do the similarly. Similarly, you will prove that ABE PQL. And CPST of this will give you angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Everyone with me? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then what is the next step? We just add those two. So 1 plus 2 and 3 plus 4, they become equal to each other. That's right. Add 1 and 2, and you get your angle A is equal to angle P basically. So I'm writing in short over here, but you write the full names, okay? And then it was already given that AB by PQ is AC by PR. When we combine these two results, it becomes SAS criteria. And triangle ABC become similar to triangle PQR. That is all you have to do. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to anyway, you have the recording, so you can just go watch that summary again. Fine. So that was your 14th question. Let's move on. It was a little bit lengthy problem, so we have wasted a lot of time in that. But now let's get to the 16th question. I want to solve that also. Okay. So what's there in this question? AD and PM are the medians of triangles ABC and PQR respectively, where triangle ABC is similar to PQR. So this is already given to you. You have to prove that AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. Okay. Who all have solved this problem? 16th one?
Completed, sir.
That was Kavya.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone else has completed 16th problem?
In my
Charan? You completed?
contribution,
Okay, Charan, try to fix your audio problem. Because
sir, it's because of the device settings, sir. Because if I come in another device, it is clear, sir. Tomorrow I joined another device, sir.
okay, fine. So in this question also, we have a very similar case like the previous couple of problems we have solved. ABC is a triangle, then AD is a median over here. And same way, PQR is a triangle and PM is the median. They want us to prove that AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. Tell me, Kavya, how do we do this? Tell me.
So, like it is given that
Yes, tell me.
so from am I audible, sir?
Yes, yes, I'm able to hear you now.
Yes, sir. Uh, so in triangle ABC and PQR, they are similar. Sir. Like by using the CPCT, we can prove that angle ABC is equal to angle PQR.
Yes.
And the ratios will be equal, sir. AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR.
So BC I can replace with twice BD, right? BC can be replaced as twice
Yes.
BD because it is already given that AD is a median. And QR I can write it as twice QM. So this 2 and 2 I can cancel it, and I will get AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM. So what happened? AB by PQ, it is equal to BD by QM, and also we just now proved that, not even proved, actually it was already given that ABC and PQ are of similar triangles. So this angle B will be equal to angle Q. So this will become SAS criteria, right? SAS similarity rule. What will happen? Triangle ABD will become similar to triangle PQM. What did we have to prove? AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. Yes, so we will be able to do that. Let's call this as second equation. Let this be the first one. So from 1 and 2, what we can get? Triangle AB is similar to triangle PQM. And once that is proved, we can just write it by CPST. AB by PQ will be equal to AD by PM. Okay, everyone okay with this?
Sir, can you scroll up, sir?
So practice these questions, guys. Unless you practice it on your own 4 to 5 times, you will not remember it for a long time. Make sure you practice. This triangle chapter can be tricky. If you leave it for a long time, you will not be able to do this in your exam. So make sure you keep practicing this. That practice I cannot do for you. I can only explain you how it works. Practice you will have to do. Nitya, are you done with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll share the PDF anyway after the class. So that's it. You can go on a break now. Yeah, go on a break and then come back in 10 minutes for the science class.